What I would like you to do for this video is follow along by opening up Xcode and then selecting Get Started with a Playground. Select the blank template and give this a name, Variables. Variables are places you can store program data. They are called variables because they can vary. In other words, you can change their values. So we see here that Playgrounds offers us a variable, Hello Playground. Now, this line of code creates a new variable called str and gives it the value Hello Playground. Because str is a variable, we can change it like this. And see the output. Hello Playground, hello everyone. We don't need to include var the second time because the variable has already been created. We're just changing it in this case. Now we're going to look at constants. It's just like a variable except to use the keyword let. So we'll make a greeting of hello world. And just like the name implies, you cannot change a constant's value after its creation. If we try this, we get a compiler error. Goodbye. And then let's see. We get this compiler error. Now, this is another one of Swift's safety mechanisms because when you create a constant, you won't be allowed to change something by accident. Typically, you should always use let unless you know you want to change the value later on. Now, I'm going to show you another example here of the difference between the two and when to use var or let. You will see some things that you might not understand yet because we have not yet gone over structs, but we'll go over these in a later video. For now, just focus on the difference between var and let. So we have a student object with an ID, name, and age. Now, the name and age can change over time, but the ID will not. So let's try and change the age, and we can see the output of 25 on the right-hand side there. So we were allowed to change the age because it's a variable. And then I'm going to create another student, Mary, who just got married. And then she wants to change her name along with her age because she got older. So now we can see this output, and Mary's name has changed to Mary Smith and age to 26. Now, if we try and change Mary's ID, we will get that same compiler error letting us know that we cannot change the ID because it is a let and not a var. But if, let's say, we wanted to make the ID variadic or able to change, so we can change the ID to a var and this error goes away.